Good morning, class 3rd. Today we are going to complete some parts of exercise of chapter plants. So students, open page number 30 in your EBS book and keep a pencil with you to underline. No, not for underline. Keep a pencil with you to fill empty places. So today we are going to complete C part of exercise, that is write true or false. E part, complete the flow chart, and G part, match the columns which is on page number 31. So now we are going to start from write true or false. So number 1, shrubs live for a few years. True or false? It is true. Now second, herbs have a thick brown woody stem. True or false? This is false because herbs have thin stem. Third, cactus is a desert plant, so it is true. Now next, rose and lily are examples of new plant. It is false. They are not a new plants. Lychee is an example of a new plant. Now plants need the right kind of soil to grow, so this is true. So true for first statement, false for second statement, true for third statement, false for fourth statement, and true for fifth statement. Now complete the flow chart. You have to do these work in your book, not in your copy. So complete the flow chart. Plants can be categorized into 5 parts. So number 1 should be shrubs. S H R U B S. Now the second should be tree. T R E S. Now the third is given herbs. Now fourth one should be climbers. C L I M B E R S. Now last one should be creepers. C R E P E R S. So your flow chart is now completed. Now next, match the columns. So climber. For climber, we can match climber to P because P is an example of climber plants. Now creepers, we can match creepers to pumpkin because pumpkin is an example of creepers. Next, duckweed, we can match duckweed with aquatic plants. Now hibiscus, we can match hibiscus to shrub. Next, jasmine, we can match jasmine to perfume because jasmine is a flower and we can make perfume from jasmine flower. Is that clear? So students, you have to complete write true or false, complete the flow chart on which is on page number which are on page number 30 and match the columns which is on page number 31. So you have to do this work in your EVS book. So that's all for today students. Thank you class.